Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this video, as I told you, I'm just gonna download the Bootstrap. So I'm just gonna click on this button. It's gonna download it. Yeah, it's coming in my system. So wait for a little while. It's about to be completing. I'm just gonna simply go there to the folder. There it is. You can see that the beta. Right click on it and just simply click on the extract file, and I'm just gonna absolutely do that. Yeah, just click on okay, and it's gonna extract itself. Yeah, it's taking a little time, but no problem. I'm going inside, and you can see that there are a lot of files, a lot more files, but none of the file is really important for you or really concernable. Simply ignore all of them. Just directly go there, and you can see that the disk file. Just copy this one and go back and ignore this folder and paste this there. And now we just need to create the files. Now I'm just going to the Sublime for this thing. There is a Sublime, and now just need to open this up like that, and I'm just gonna program something. First of all, I'm just gonna make the index.html page, index.html, and save this. And now, yeah, absolutely, the page name should be the index.html, and save this. And now I'm gonna delete the file name. I'm just gonna install the basic structure of the HTML, and I'm just going inside that. Why I'm using the Sublime? Actually, I was the Atom lover before that, but the Sublime is almost good as Atom, and sometimes Atom got crashed, but the Sublime does not. So I use the Sublime. Yeah, it's done. And there, I just need to mention the file name, the title, and in a title I'm just putting something like learn Bootstrap 4 from Podina production. Okay, that's cool. Save it, and I'm just going down and there, and now there's the body, and I'm going inside the body. Let's just remove this thing, and I'm just going inside the body, and inside the body I'm just putting something like the div, and inside this div I'm just putting something like hello world. Save this up, and now I just need to go to the folder and double click on this, and there we got that, the hello world sign. I'm just gonna open this up on the another browser, this one, and paste this up here. Okay, line break. Cool, you can see that the hello world there. Okay, I'm closing this one, and I'm just going back to the Sublime, and I just need to program some more things here. First of all, I just need to add the two files from that folders. I'm just going there, and I'm just going inside the distribution files and just cutting both of them and pasting both out of the web folder like that. Now simply just need to go to the Sublime backend here. I'm just first of all I'm just adding the link, and here I'm just adding the link relation. Relation is the style sheet. Absolutely, that it is style sheet, and I'm adding in space, and then okay, funny thing, the hyper reference, and then here I'm just adding something more like link. First of all the CSS folder, then slash, then the bootstrap.min.css. Oh, not the triple S but double S. Just go inside the folder to confirm this file name. If I just go there, we can see that the bootstrap.min, and this is a CSS file. Just leave that file, the other file, as it is. No matter, we just do not need to do anything with them. Just leave them and go there and just refresh the file. Now you can see that the text style has been updated. That means we got it. We got it finally. Go back there and just instead of the simple hello world, I'm just adding a class here. I'm just making it Jumbotron and saving this up, and now you can see that because of the Bootstrap, here I'm just gonna get the jumbotron. Yeah, that's the jumbotron I've got. And absolutely, you can see that if you just notice, its jumbotron is a little different from the previous one, from the if you just know the Bootstrap 3, so it's different. So if you just do not know, that's okay, because absolutely, as I said, I'm just gonna cover everything of the old stuff of the Bootstrap here, the necessary things only. The unnecessary, I'm not going to talk about it anymore. The things which deprecated, which are not here anymore, I'm not going to use them. So by the way, one more thing I just need to add, you can see that there are two files which is necessary. One is, first of all, deleting the distribution file, and this one too. Now we have the CSS, the JS, and the Bootstrap zip file, which is really not important for now. So now I just need to add the JS file, the Bootstrap min or Bootstrap. I'm just gonna add the Bootstrap min there. It's on me. I can delete the other files too, no matter. Line break and the script. I'm still inside the header and just adding the script, and then the sorry, because this is a script, so I just cannot add the simply hyperreference here. I just need to use the SLC. Now the JS slash the Bootstrap the min.js and save this. Now go back to the browser here like that and refresh that. Nothing big, because you know I didn't apply any kind of JavaScript there. But yeah, finally we've just attached the Bootstrap. Now we've installed, we've downloaded, we've installed, and we've added the Bootstrap. Now another method I just want to guide you about the Bootstrap, about how we can add the Bootstrap here. If you just don't want to download the Bootstrap, you know, it's a little method, not a really messy, but really simple. You just need to go to the folder, you just need to find the distribution file, then you just need to go inside that, and you just need to pick the CSS and the JS files from them, and just need to paste that in your appropriate folder. Otherwise, you just need to go to the Bootstrap, and here you can see that the CDN. What is the CDN? I want to guide you. Now one thing more, if you just do this method, you will get the actual file you just downloaded by this way too, no problem. But here, if you just only want the CSS, you just simply can paste this link here, copy this one. Actually, what happens when we use the CDNs, you know, here these files are in our setup, in our system. In that way, these files will not be in our system, but you can see that they are coming from some kind of bootstrapcdm.com. So this is another server, but yeah, we can use that. I'm just gonna guide you. I'm gonna delete that, or just gonna change the link, or I'm just gonna simply delete the whole I'm just gonna make this you know, the silent. Now go to the browser, and you can see that I'm just refreshing that, and it's still working. But now, because we just added another, here I'm going back, another link, a link from another website, so it can take a little time sometimes. You know, if you're having any kind of internet problem, and you're just developing the website, so your website is in development mode, so it's recommended for you to have the link downloaded in your system. Or if you have a perfect internet and you have no problem, so you can use the CDNs too. In the same way, you just can have the Popper, the Jquery. Oh yeah, one more thing, you need to download the Jquery too. There is no Jquery. I'm going back to there. I just need to extract it again. If I just forgot one thing, good point. There is the Bootstrap 4.0 beta, and the JS and SRC. Back to back. I just have to just go to the browser for the Jquery. Okay, no problem. I was just looking for the Jquery. If they just provided the Jquery file too there, but they're not. So go there. Yeah, this is very necessary when you're just applying the JS. I just forgot one thing, that when you just want to apply the JS, the bootstrap.js file, you just need the Jquery right before the the bootstrap.js file. So I'm just going to the jquery.com and just going inside the folder and inside the web of the jQuery, and need to download that. I'm just directly click on download this one, no problem. Yeah, the development mode or the production mode, I'm just downloading the production mode, means the minified version. Open this up wherever it is, or I can directly open this up here, click on it. Oh, they just put it the download option for now. Show in folder, cut that up, close that file, or go to the actual folder, go inside the JS, paste that there in. Now we just can change the file name. Now we just can delete that, we can delete the file version, even we can delete the .min too, but this is not necessary, so I'm not deleting that. I'm just going there. It's our choice, no problem. We can use the minified version, we can use the development version, no problem. There is no big difference. The only difference between them is the minified version cannot be edited easily because they has no white spaces, no extra spaces, no documentation, and the development version has spaces, has a maintained file. Nothing big, you know. So well, here is the script. I'm going down and adding tab and adding the script, and there I'm just adding the src. Yeah, cool. Going inside in jQuery.min.js. Now also here again you just can use the international libraries. I mean, you say the Syrian libraries, by the way. So why this is important, I just want to clear one thing if you just do not know. The bootstrap.js file based on jQuery completely. So if you just want to use any file which is any library which is even based on jQuery, so absolutely to run that file you need the jQuery. The second important thing when you're just applying the jQuery for the bootstrap JS file, the jQuery must come first before the bootstrap JS file. This is necessary. And why? Because when the browser, you know that the HTML or any programming language, most of them starts from the top. So browser starts from the HTML, then browser etc reads the script and the jQuery.min.js. Now browser understand that there is a jQuery file. Now browser understand this. Browser doesn't know what is jQuery if jQuery doesn't installed in it, but after that browser knows what is jQuery, and then when browser reads its codes, browser gets it and then just gives us the results. So this is how it works, how simple it works. So in the next class we'll be talking about it a little more. Stay tuned and goodbye.